never loved incense more, and having a piece of art in my home that just makes me feel relaxed is wonderful.
I absolutely love the smell of whatever comes out of it. I've got all kinds of cones and they all smell great. It leaves a good, lingering, pleasant smell in the house. Just watching the smoke go down is great. It's a good addition to my house. Thanks.
It looks great literally in any room. I get compliments on it all the time and people ask me where I bought it, but it's not sold in stores, guys. So seriously, click the link below. Don't miss out.